No. I've prosecuted only one case before. That is Onebe. To date, we are still in shock. I told the judge that we meet him at midnight.
Does it remove the case? If the judge is...
You know, I've come to realize that these days, people realize that certain I was in Dar es Salaam.
When you have a bad case, you have to think loud.
Yeah, but there are sometimes the police officers they refuse.
This one was so bitter. How do you accuse me of meeting the state attorneys at midnight? What sort of interest is that?
But now, where is the evidence?
They say
Why do I remain in it?
no.
I have enough cases.
No.
I have
No.
enough cases.
Then you may never work.
You may never work. Every case comes to
And at the end
You
of
see,
the day,
there are rules that govern recusal. There's an advocate who himself from the case.
the prosecutor,
Yes.
it's like telling a lawyer to leave the case. Messages are just as a whole.
Tendering process, and also Sarah's I expect those of the
But you just have to plan.
Where is your lawyer? Where is Mr. Tuyamusima? Are you able to find a lawyer for yourself to plead the case, or we can still get for you another one?
Where are you now?
This one.
my lord. However, upon being appointed counsel on state brief, I have interacted with my clients. For that matter, we take it that we have no indictment as of now.
Who told you? There is
The
an
information
indictment.
I'm getting from the clients,
But your clients are not the ones to tell us whether we have an indictment or not.
they have not been served, my lord.
But have you talked to the court to find out? Supposing there is no amendment, would you say there is no indictment?
Court made an order, my lord, that they should make an amendment, and they took an undertaking to amend the indictment within time frame of 2 weeks, which they have not done. Which state has not done. So as of
We can say there is no amended indictment.
there is no amended indictment, my lord.
Supposing we want to proceed on
Watch your blood, my lord.
Mr. Chomugenzi, where is the amended?
Mr. Richard Birkuka wrote an opinion to our boss, the DPP, on top of amending the indictment. There are some other issues that we would wish to sort out, but we can't sort them out on our own. We need her guidance. My lord, unfortunately, she has not been in office. That is why the indictment is not yet ready. But we undertake that upon the next sitting of this court, we shall be ready with the indictment, with the amended indictment. But my lord, my learned friend, Mr. Chibundo, contests that there is no indictment. My lord, we have an indictment already on record. We are seeking an adjournment to comply with the directives of this honorable court.
Okay, in addition to that, a new person that has come on board, that is Mr. Chibundo. And we also have to bring on board another lawyer to represent Mr. Ssewanyana. So there is need to ensure that those two advocates on state brief have the disclosures. And we think we can use what you get, not have to give you a burden again. So the court is going to do that. Run copies for Mr. Chibundo and another lawyer that the deputy registrar will assign to Mr. Ssewanyana. So that is the disclosure, so that the next time we are here, we are ready to proceed in terms of marking the documents and reading the charges we are accused persons. So I want to give you a relatively longer time so that you're able to do that. So that when you come next, we shall be ready to proceed. Five and six.
Those days are not available to me. On 5th, I'm appearing before your learned brother, Justice Wamala, in Soroti High Court. Court, I'll take it. Though I had a matter on 12th, but it's in the lower court that I will do.
How about Mr. Katumba?
Before, I said something about the date, and to render my appointment to the Honorable Court. Was it
around in the morning. My lord, the reason that Justice Wamala had fixed the matter for his transfer, so they were called upon to the new judge when the matter has been allocated. That took some time.
Government gene besasula era kooti era omuwandiisi wa kooti agenda okuba ng'afuna zino disclosure oba obujulizi obwaleetebwa oludda oluwaabi buweebwe plido naaliwo n'oweebwa n'abakuwadde ngenda ku z'omwezi 9 ogwokuna omwaka guno tegunnayitawo n'omuwabi wa gavumenti aweereddwa okutuusa nga 5 omwezi ogwokutaano omwaka guno okuba ng'ataddemu ennongoosereza mu mpaaba y'omusango guno. Omusango gwongezeddwayo okutuusa nga 12 omwezi ogwokutaano omwaka guno nenga 13 omwezi ogwokutaano omwaka guno. Serwada Mike Wamala Bulo Mugerwa ne Kanyike sindikiddwa okuddayo ku alimanda okutuusa ku olwo nawe Ssewanyana okuyimirwa ku kwongezeddwayo okutuusa ku olwo nga 12 omwezi ogwokutaano omwaka guno.